Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a copycat recipe for Raising Cane's chicken strips and cane sauce. For this recipe, you'll need oil for frying, chicken breast tenderloins, buttermilk, Cajun seasoning, all-purpose flour, and cornstarch. For the cane sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and kosher salt. Begin by removing the tendons from the chicken strips and then set them aside. Then, in a gallon-sized plastic storage bag, stir together the buttermilk and half of the Cajun seasoning. Add the chicken tenders to the bag and make sure they're fully coated. Seal the bag and marinate the chicken for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. Now, add all of the copycat Raising Cane sauce ingredients to a mixing bowl, whisk until thoroughly combined, and cover, refrigerate until ready to serve. Preheat your oil in a deep fryer or Dutch oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oil is heating, combine the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and the remaining Cajun seasoning in a shallow dish. Dredge each chicken tender in the flour mixture, then set aside. Be sure to keep as much of the buttermilk mixture on the chicken as you can. This will help to keep the breading sticking to the chicken. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Once all the chicken is coated and the oil has reached temperature, add 3 to 4 chicken strips to the fryer and cook for about 3.5 to 4 minutes. The chicken should be golden brown and have an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't worry if it reads a little higher than that. They will stay juicy. Remove the chicken tenders to a paper towel lined cookie sheet, serve hot, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your copycat Cane's chicken tenders and cane sauce turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.